Ibtisam and his friends were tired of losing time and time again. I don't know what happened that despite working hard, they could not win the baiting competition. Ibtisam was a student of the 6th grade. He was very intelligent, but he had this very bad habit that if someone informed him of something good, or tried to teach him something good or explain something to him, he would listen to it in one ear and let it out the other. Not only this, but he also did not respect his elders. He was jealous of someone's victory or success. He had been studying in this school since the 3rd grade. He became friends with Sahir, Sherk, and Umair, who were the best children in this group. Ibtisam was like a dirty fish in their company, so he worked to make the entire pond dirty, and Sahir, Sherk, and Umair also became like him. Thus, the 4 of them became the most mischievous children in their class. Their favorite pastime was playing catch. That is why they would only participate in the catch competition instead of participating in the other competitions in their school, but it is unlikely that they ever won any competition. Ibtisam was sitting in his room crying profusely. He was thinking in his heart that he was not worthy of anything, that he could never win. He was just thinking these things when suddenly the door of his room opened. He quickly wiped his tears and turned towards the one who opened the door. The one who opened the door was his father. He came in and closed the door of the room and asked him, "Ibtisam's son, is everything okay? Your mother told me that you are not talking to anyone and are locked in your room. Hey, how are these tears in my son's eyes?" Abu saw the tears in Ibtisam's eyes. Ibtisam could not control his tears and put his head in his father's lap and cried, saying, "I am tired of being defeated again and again. I don't know what is wrong with me. I have become completely hopeless now." His father explained to him, "No, my children, don't say that. Let me tell you the reason for your defeat." Ibtisam raised his head from his father's lap and said, "Do you know why I can't win? If you know, tell me." Father said, "Yes, my son, I know. Look, the first reason is that you don't respect your elders. Do you know that if elders say something to their children, they say it only for their benefit? They tell their children the difficulties they have faced in their lives and the experiences they have gained from them so that they can be careful of them." Ibtisam was listening to them carefully. Abu started saying again, "Children who obey the elders always succeed. Then the second reason is that you start envying someone else's success and start treating them badly. Son, you know, if we envy someone or wish someone bad, bad things happen to us too. This will not harm others, but rather we will be harmed and no one will like us. Therefore, we should make ourselves such that everyone wants to be like us, and we should be grateful to Allah for everything." Ibtisam looked at Abu and said, "Abu, I can understand what you want to say." Abu looked at him and then said, "Now the third and most important reason is that you get disappointed with anything very quickly. I know that you have been hopeless since the first time you lost the bet playing competition. That is why you lose again and again. One day you will definitely succeed. Keep your morals good, trust in Allah, I hope you have understood." After listening to Abu, Ibtisam wiped his wet eyes and said, "Abu, you are absolutely right. I will follow all your words now and will never lose hope in Allah." Abu was very happy and hugged Ibtisam because he had made a new resolution and he had changed.